This trade show has been fantastic. I had no idea that there was so much manufacturing of HVAC systems here in Pakistan and in Turkey too. So yeah, this has been just very eye-opening for me. The presentations this morning, Mr. Farouk's talk really gave me some context as to what the challenges are here in Pakistan, particularly with the garment and the textile industries. In the United States, we don't do a lot of textiles, at least in my areas in the Northeast. So hearing more about just the water consumption that's required, I had no idea. We all like to wear our denim and our jeans, and I don't think this was the first time I really understood what the environmental impact of the fashion industry really is. It has just been amazing. I had no idea that the manufacturing capabilities here in Pakistan were so high. Everybody here has been very welcoming and very informative.